University Academic review and recommend candidates for graduation to deliberate on requests for correction of grades. Further than that, the key functions also include the recommendation of new academic programs, recommend curricular revision of existing programs, and finally perform other functions necessary for the efficient and effective conduct of overall academic operations. The composition of the University Council will be as follows. The presiding chair will be the University President, University Registrar. The Management Committee and Academic Advisory Council will also act as members, and the permanent faculty with academic rank. The proposed schedule of the meeting would be as follows. It will be held every 2 months, beginning February of each year, from 1 p.m. to 4 p.m. Special meetings may be called by the presiding chair when deemed necessary. Our procedure would be as follows. First, there should be a request for inclusion in the agenda, which should be submitted to the University Secretary. Requests shall be reviewed by the Vice President for Academic Affairs and the University Registrar, and then followed by the issuance of the official notice of meeting and agenda. Afterwards, the concerned offices. The expected outcomes of the establishment of the University Council will be as follows. It will strengthen ECU's governance framework and evidence-based policy decisions, as well it will ensure alignment of academic programs with institutional goals and national higher education standards. As well, it will provide a credible and fair system in determining students' graduation, honors, and academic standing. Finally, it will enhance faculty participation in academic governance, thereby improving morale and professional growth.
So this early, I'd like to thank everyone for participating. Your attendance today, of course, we need your names in the 4 corners of the workshop. This first TCU University Council is very significant because this will benefit the